Mama, songa, songa, wacha kuvuta hiyo. Wacha nirudishe hiyo mami. Lete. Thank you.
Why?
You guys have no idea like how I'm excited about this. Oh my goodness. So this is the first parcel. So hizi zinakaa hivi. Hizi like the smaller ones na kuna hizi like the bigger ones. Yeah. Oh my god. Thank you God. Oh my god. So here are the bonnets. Oh my god. I think I need to wash my hands manze. Cause hey, hata sijui nishika wapi, mikono yangu si safi. Hey, customer wa kwanza, customer wa nguvu. Uimbikie pochi la biashara ndo katume sent money. Huyu ni mwana biashara. Enda kwa pochi. Yeah, it was taking a toll on me. Let me not like edit ama nijifanya like ilikuwa so smooth. No. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know last week I didn't have any video for you guys and I am really sorry about that. I got quite busy. I think for the past like 2 weeks I had like a lot on my plate, and also like I was sleeping quite late. When I mean quite late, I was sleeping around 2, around 3. I was researching for some things that I really wanted, and with time like I got so tired. I think my body was just like tired of everything, so I decided let me not like pressure myself to vlog. That is last week I did take a break on that, but right now I'm back. Like I don't want to play with YouTube, I want to be super consistent. Yeah, so also I did start my business. That is one of the things that was I don't want to say like it was taking a toll on me. Let me not like edit ama nijifanya like ilikuwa so smooth. No, it was taking a toll on me trying to hug. Okay. So me coming up with like what I want to sell, getting like people to supply me with that. Also did create a page on Instagram, creating the content for IG, also like marketing stuff to customers. Like it was a lot, but I thank God for that. I'm really happy that I did that. So if you don't know like what I'm talking about, I did start an online business whereby I'm selling stuff. Mostly it's female stuff that I'm selling. That is hair bonnets. For the bonnets, it's a double layered reversible bonnet. That means like you can use it on both sides. When ukichoka na side ya ndani unaweza pindua uvae na side ya nje. And have like 3 different types. We have like the drawstring, we have the tire ball, and we have the elastic. I'll insert some clip here for you guys to see like what I'm talking about. Yeah, but so far I've noticed like most of you guys want the tire ball and elastic. Yeah, most, I don't know, I thought like drawstring like will be loved, but yeah. Hair scrunchie, you see this, it's like an it's like a hairband, you see this. Yeah, zinakaa hivyo. We have like, this is the smaller size, and we have the regular size. I think it's medium or just regular size. I have hair clips, I have I said hair bonnets? Yeah, shower caps, and the shower caps are super they look so cute, like luxury msee, usioge nywele kingia maji. They have like satin linen on the inside, and the outside ni hiyo kitu ya nini, hiyo material ya shower cap vile nakuanga ngumu iwezi ingia maji. Yeah, right now I've brought in panties. With time I want to bring in like pajamas, night dresses. Like I don't want to limit myself, I want to give you things like luxury things. I don't want you guys to break your bank to get like really cute stuff for you guys. That is why my online store is called Chic on Coins. That means you'll get cute, affordable stuff, luxury stuff but still get to save your coins. Yeah, tuko pamoja. I'll tag the page right here. I'll put it here for you guys to see the products that I'm selling. So that is that. And what else do I want to update you on? I'll be sharing like the products I'll be selling here on YouTube. Also, I'll be sharing on the Chic on Coins page and also on my WhatsApp. I think I'll put my contact like down below for you guys to to order. If unataka, you can make a call, tell me what you want, and we will figure out how that will get to you. Yeah. So I think I've talked like a lot. I feel like I've talked a lot and I want to drink some water. So right now I want to create content for the panties that I brought. I want to take some pictures. I want to take some videos for my Chic on Coins page, and also to post on WhatsApp, and also like to call like my friends and customers to tell them that tuko na stock. Yeah. I'm really hoping that this will grow, and I appreciate your support. If you have bought anything from me, like, or even if you have bought, shared, I really do appreciate like so much. I'm super grateful. Yeah, so let's get into business, guys. I'm really talking like a lot. Wacha nipige hizi picha and then I'll share with you guys here, like you'll get to see. Yeah, and then I think after this I'll go and make supper. And also, like, I'm planning to go get my hair done, but I'm not doing that today because right now I think it's 3 p.m. Yeah, so after this I'll just go and make supper. I think I'll get my hair done either tomorrow or the next day. I don't want to pressure myself. So guys, oh my goodness, guys, you have no idea how much, you guys have no idea like how I'm excited about this. Oh my goodness. So this is the first parcel, and then this is the second one. Nimepindua hivi because on the other side like kuna my name and phone number and everything, and I don't want to show that out. Yeah, so what do I start with? Let me start with this and then you can come to this, right? Yeah, this is my beginning, like the beginning of everything. Like, this will give birth to so many things in my life, and I can't wait to look back in the future and be like, oh, I'm so proud of you. I don't know if you guys can see me because niko hapa nimeinama hivi. Anyway, let me show you first. Let's open this and then you can talk more about it. So we have some sweets and like ndani so ndani hizi zinakaa hivi. Hizi mtoto wangu ndo alikuwa ananichora hapa kwa mkono. Yeah, hapo. So hizi zinakaa hivi. Hizi like the smaller ones na kuna hizi like the bigger ones. Yeah. So nitazimwaga mahali like mweze kuziona poa kwa hapa tu ni tudogo, and also get to confirm like the order kama iko sawa. I need to put this aside. Yeah, mtoto wangu alikuwa anakula before alale. Actually amelala tu hapa sitting. So yeah, this is the first one. Let me see hii nyingine vile iko. You guys don't, you have no idea how I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you, God. Oh my god. So here are the bonnets. Oh my god. I think I need to wash my hands, manze. Cause hey, hata sijui nishika wapi, mikono yangu si safi. Sitaki nichafue, customers wasikuje kuona vitu chafu chafu. So these are the bonnets. Oh my goodness, this thing is big. Wow. Oh my goodness. Manze ni kubwa, kisize ni kubwa. Cause si mnaona? like the quality, the color, the size. Wacha nioshe mikono, sitaki kuchafua. Ni choice yako tu mama. Hey, customer wa kwanza, customer wa nguvu. Uimbigie pochi la biashara ndo katume sent money. Huyu ni mwana biashara. Enda kwa pochi. Sahi huyu ni mwana biashara huyu. Usi sent money, enda kwa pochi la biashara. Hapo sasa.
Aya. Phone number.
Ile si unajua. Hey manze, hii iko na red tamu. I think next order hii nitaweka ikuwe mingi kiasi. Hii red ni tamu hii. Songa mama, songa. Wacha kuvuta hiyo. Wacha nirudishe hiyo mami. Lete. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, thanks.